Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you facing issues with your iPhone's audio during phone calls, such as muffled sounds, low volume, or even complete silence, unless you switch to speakerphone? In this video, I will offer several solutions to help you resolve these audio issues and enjoy clear and uninterrupted phone conversations on your iPhone once again. Let's go! Before you start, I want to emphasize that the following recommendations are most effective for minor software-related issues that cause audio glitches. If your iPhone has suffered physical damage, audio problems may be hardware-related and require professional attention, so be sure to contact Apple support or visit your local service center. To ensure optimal audio, adjust your volume settings to the maximum level while actively on a call. This will allow you to hear clearer audio from your device's earpiece. Note that phone call volume is controlled independently from the overall system volume. Additionally, the volume settings you use during one call are generally remembered for future calls. This means that if you lower the volume for a call, your iPhone will likely use that lower volume setting for subsequent calls unless you manually adjust it. Moreover, obstructions can significantly impact the sound quality of phone calls on your iPhone. If something is blocking the speaker or earpiece, it can lead to muffled, distorted, or muted audio. To get the best sound quality, remove your phone case or screen protector if you have one installed. Over time, dirt, dust, or other particles can accumulate in the speaker or microphone openings, interfering with sound clarity. Gently clean these areas using a soft, dry cloth or a brush, taking care not to apply excessive force to prevent internal damage. Usually, if you are experiencing glitches or errors with your iPhone, the common solution is to perform a force restart. Keep in mind, though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID, such as iPhone 10, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears.
That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or other problems with your Apple device, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.